Hey there. This video is called Hard Truths. Hard Truths. And so that you have some idea what you're going to be expected to do when you work with composers or when you work with other professionals around the world who want you to play harmonica for them on a recording, for instance. Here's the standard that they're looking for. And I realize that this is not a low standard, nor is it an easy skill set to develop, and it takes work to do it. Number one, they're going to expect that you can play every note on your harmonica cleanly and easily, which means you will have had to work the lower notes and the higher notes too. You have to know your instrument. And they're going to expect that you know the names of the notes on your harp and where they're located. They're going to expect that. And they're going to expect that you can read music. Because that's the first question these guys ask when they contact me is, can you read music? I don't oftentimes read music for the piece they want, but they want to know if I'm schooled or educated. And you have to understand what your scales are. You need to understand major scales, natural minor, harmonic minor, and melodic minor. It's pretty easy, to get those online and look at them. I think that they're also going to expect that you have a certain degree of mastery of your instrument at some level. And the other thing is that if they play a given note for you on guitar or piano, they're going to expect that you can duplicate that note immediately, either by singing or on your instrument. Because that's the language of music, is tones. So you have to be able to match the pitch that's given to you, either singing or on your instrument, because they're not going to wait while you hunt around trying to figure out what note it is that they've played. So this is what the people who do this for a living expect. And they'll usually reach out to you because they want your style or what you're doing that's a little different. So if you don't have those skills that I just listed, which include being able to play every note on your instrument and do a good job with that, and to know the names of the notes on the harp and to read music, and to be able to identify and duplicate a pitch which is given to you. If you don't have those skills, it'd be a good thing to do to work to get those skills so that you can work with other musicians around the world when they come to your attention. But those are the kinds of questions they ask right off the top. And those are the skill sets you'll want to develop if you want to work with other professional musicians around the world.